first things first, we got to take a look at this. The build quality is insane. The only thing that I got to say I dislike about this is getting the freaking ring thing in there. Because it's so tight, obviously you don't want someone just pulling it out. It's kind of hard to get it in there. But once you get it in there, this thing will hold it back. I love the metal that they use around the door. It's a very smart idea. It's a very tough metal. It's a very simple mechanism too. So you stick this on the door, and then you kind of slip this on, and then that just comes on. And as you can see, your door will be, I mean, this is kind of used, so you can kind of tell. It doesn't ruin this. Even when you got it on there, it still looks brand new outside of this plastic, right? Or paint, sorry. Overall, it's even got some holes on the side for, you know, the sounds and stuff. But overall, if you're looking for a doorbell box, or I guess doorbell boa, whatever that means, this is definitely the way to go. It comes with a lot of different foam pieces. Obviously, we used 5. So I totally recommend this.